So welcome back, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to wear your Shokz OpenDots 2 comfortably. So if you want it to look something similar to this, what you're going to do is simply start by ensuring that the rounded end like that is just snugged tightly behind the ear, and then the other end where the speaker normally is just resting at the frontal lobe. You don't necessarily need to push it in because it is an open ear, so it should just fit right there. But once it's on comfortably and you can feel when you shake your head that it's not going to come loose, you should be able to feel that slight comfort that comes with open buds like so. So now all you need to do is simply go ahead and play music. If you find even the music quality has not deteriorated, it means you can now comfortably use your Shokz OpenDots 2 whenever you want. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and I'll see you in the next video.